Hi guys, we're back with another tutorial for the GameMaker fighting game, and today we're going to be implementing the crouched state with a crouch punch and a crouch kick to to better show how the state machine works. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the sprites for the crouch idle sprite, the crouched movement, and then maybe the crouch punch and the crouch kick. SPR crouched and image, import the strip image. Same as usual, come in and let's try to get the crouch state. Yep. So it looks like we have a crouch state here. Right, yeah. And getting up and down of the crouch state doesn't look like it has many. So probably it's just these 3 pixels. So these three sprites here. 1, 2, 3. And the idle is going to be a bunch of these. So 0. We don't need much of that, so maybe yes, 192. No, less than that. Well, we'll see 180. 72. Probably we'll be able to do with this. And this is gonna be 160. 200. Yeah, likely. It's gonna be good enough. So let me see. So yeah, this. This +5 looks good. Maybe a sixth one. Well, let's get 7 just in case. Yeah. So let's clean them a little bit. I don't know how much we need to clean. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, so no more cleaning, but what we need is to sort them properly. So let's do that. So this is the last one. This one goes here. So this should go here. So this probably could be the start and this could be the end. So this could be the end, and we could use this here, and we could use this here, and we could use this here, and we could use this here. Let's see. Yeah, looks good. There's only one, that one, move it up. Change this here. Change this here too. Yeah, but we need to avoid one. remove this one and put this one here. We even have like probably we could even get rid of one of these, like this one or this one. Let's get rid of this one. Yeah, I like this one. This is the crouched animation. Now let's create a new one. We're gonna again. Oh wait! We haven't set the center here. Yep. And this one we're gonna call it SPR Terry Crouch, which basically means that it's going to go down. So image or the strip images. And we're gonna get probably from all these three here. So yeah, these are a bit bigger, right? This is gonna be 224. Possibly like this, yeah. Then we have to move this a little bit, like this, for instance. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, I got too many. So yeah, I got too many, but we definitely don't need these. We don't need these. And we don't need these. Let's clean them. Okay, this one doesn't need cleaning. This one does. This one does. This one, I'm not sure. I'm sure we want this one though. 1, 2. So, yeah, I think we want that one. So yeah. So basically, we have to move now them so that they are down, so they get their feet. Yeah, that looks good. It looks like this foot is not moving. Next one. Like this. There. And the next one. A little bit up and yeah, so that looks good. It looks like crouching. Good. Yeah. And we're gonna do duplicate this one and get up. Which basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this one here, and this one here. Yep. Good. So we got crouch, crouch, get up. So when we hit down, we have to crouch, then stay in the crouch idle, and then get up when we release them. Let's add these options. So we're gonna be adding a update idle, or whatever, the punch. Yeah, update idle, create a script, sorry, duplicate, and it's gonna be crouched idle. Okay, so we're not gonna be able to move when and by the way, it is important to, okay, so wait, that's okay, let's go one step at a time, because I think I am not doing it right. So this the crouch, so which one? I don't know. Let's see. We are going to have case 5 update crouch break, case 6 update get up, and case 7 update crouched idle break. So basically we have 5 is crouch, 6 is get up, and idle is 7. So in the update idle, if we press 7, so if we stop pressing down, then we go back to getting up, which is 6. And these two are not yet defined because we don't have the crouch bunch of crouch kick states. So when we're in the crouch idle, we just set the speed to 0, and we change the only change the state when we stop pressing down. That means that when we press down, if keyboard check BK down, next state is gonna be 5, which is crouch. By the way, this is from less important to more important. So I think these two are less important. This one is more important than these two, and these two are more important than the movement. So if we want to kick, we kick. If we sit down, we're gonna crouch. That is less important than kicking, but more important than moving left or right. We could have different priorities, or we could think about different ways. Like if you're pressing, I don't know, if you're pressing down, you really want to crouch. So I don't know what other priorities you could give, but anyway. You give more priority to down than the kicks. I don't think that's appropriate. You could also combine, if you press down on a kick, and maybe you have a different movement, but I don't know. Anyway, so we got the crouch idle, but we need the I'm gonna put them all here. So we're gonna add a update crouch, which is gonna be basically the same, and update get up. Actually, this is update crouch. When you crouch, eventually you go to the crouched state, and if we duplicate this, there we go. So duplicate get up, this one takes us to the idle state. So yeah, this seems about right. Then we need to do the start kick, start crouch. It should basically set the crouch. Start, so we duplicate. Start, get up. Get up. Get up. And duplicate and start crouched idle. And the same, crouched idle. Okay. So, looks like we've got it. Now we have to add the states. This already starts here. So case 5, start crouch, break. Case 6, start get up, break. Case 7, start crouch idle, break. So let's run, and maybe we're gonna be improving this a little bit. So we can move left, we can move right, we can punch and kick, and then we can go. Oh, yes, because this is not properly set. In the idle, it is underneath. It's the center, so the crouch should be in the same position. Yeah, 92 to 8. And the same here. So yeah, let's see what happens now. Yeah, it goes down. Well, the three of them could be a little bit less, a little bit higher. 90. Well, what's this with? So on 69. 90. Oh, damn it. 92. 92, that's the same. What we want is this to go up a little bit to 04. Let's do 205. Let's leave it in 205, and here 205 too. Let's see how we say it. So it looks like crouching is okay, but we need to lift it a little bit. Let's see now. No, it's the other way around. 72. And a little bit to the left. Yeah, now it looks perfect. Well, not perfect, but almost. Yeah, I think that's cool. And yeah, it looks cool. Well, we cannot kick or punch here, but as you can see, if we kick and we press down while kicking or punching, it doesn't change the state. It's only if we keep pressing it when we are going after it finishes that it changes the state, and that's cool. That's exactly what we're looking for. So before we go on, I'm getting annoyed because most of these are exactly the same. So we could do a generic start. So create a script generic start, and this is gonna be just like this, but what we're gonna be doing is, okay, this is gonna be argument 0. See? Yep. And that sounds about right. So if we got a generic start, we can actually change these. When we say we got generic start SPR Terry idle. Here is gonna be Terry move forward. It's gonna be Terry move back. This is gonna be Terry punch, Terry kick, Terry crouch, Terry get up, and Terry crouch idle. If we want something more than that, we can always use a different function, but so far this seems good, right? And we can, with this, get rid of this, which makes the code a lot easier to read and less. Yeah, it looks like it works. Yep, looks like it works. We could do something else here, like everywhere we are setting the movement, but how about we set the movement in the start, because really we're not changing the movement during the state. So we set the movement in the start, the generic start, and set the movement. Now it's going to be argument 1 and argument 2. That way we are going to be removing the movement from all the other functions, and we're going to leave, so this is going to be like 0 0, this is going to be minus move speed 0, this is going to be move speed 0, and the rest are going to be all 0 0. Good. Yeah. And then we can remove the movement part on all of these. Sorry for the interruption. So we're gonna go on and we're gonna go on removing the movement from all the states, because it's done in the start. And there we go. So if we could even have update weight and animation for the grab, the crouch, the kick, the punch, which probably is sensible to do, because that's what we want to do in those cases. So we're going to create a script. It's an update and anim, and we just copy the getup, for instance, where we do this, but the only thing we change is this is argument 0. So that way, in the ternary update, we can change this. So punch is in the update. So update punch is going to be update and anim, and we go back to 0, and that's where we have to do punch. So we have to changing this punch animation, punch update for the update and anim with the 0, because after that we go to the idle. But the same with the kick. The same with the crouch. And the same with the get up. So when the crouch, we go to the crouch to idle. So that's okay. Cool. So we have this. We have changed this, so we can remove the update punch, update kick, update crouch, and update get up. We probably we need to add the stuff here, but maybe we will. But we'll do it later. I mean, when you're kicking or punching, you may want to add something that to decide whether you hit the other player or not. But we're not gonna bother about that now. So we have the two generic start and update, and then the concrete update functions for when it's more complex than just wait till the end of animation. So yeah, looks like it works. It works good. Okay, so let's finally add the sprites for the crouch punch. Hurry crouch punch. So add image, image, import strip image. Get there. Okay, where may they be? Look, like here we have a crouch punch. So yeah, there are 5 frames, right? And they are going to be a lot longer. To 64. Let's leave it at 0. Yes. To 68. To 70 maybe. Yeah, that's okay. 70. So the problem is the first one is okay, but the rest of them are very close. So minus 100. Say minus 80. So this one is going to be these. This one is going to be these. I think it should be okay. Let's see. Oh well, probably we want. Damn it. Fuck. Something like this, and this will be a 0. Let's see. So this one is okay. I have to clean. Okay. Good. So let's go cleaning. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it looks like this would be the first one, and this is the last one, because, yeah. We could even use this one as a going back and oh no, wait. So if this is here, we have to make sure we have to move all the characters, so all of them, so they are like these. This is sort of okay, isn't it? That looks okay. This one needs to go a little bit. So yeah, so we can now duplicate this one, duplicate this one, and see what happens. And this one probably we don't need. We could even duplicate that one so that we kind of pause when we're hitting. That's cool. Yeah, we could even do that with others. In the punch, it doesn't. No, it doesn't look, because it's not like a heavy punch, and so you don't want to do that. But maybe with this one you could do that, although it already has 2 frames that are very similar, so it also looks cool. But in this one, I think this one, it looks cool to leave it there, one extra tick. So we have to compare with the crouched idle. So crouch idle. Okay, let's do. Yes, crouch idle. It's gonna be like very similar. Something like that. Okay, and let's do a crouch kick too. Edit image, import strip image. So let's go see what we have around here. Yeah, I think this is gonna be it, right? I don't even need so much. So we have these. Let's see. Let's do it like that. I think this should be okay. But I'm gonna go up. Yeah, I think it looks cool. It probably could go here, and this one probably can go here. So like this. Yep. So let's clean them. One, two, three, four, and five. So I think now we have to, okay, now we have to move them around. So probably this one and this one. Well, this has to go something like that. I'll go to the left and a little bit up. Yeah, that looks cool. This one again. Oh, that's cool. And here we, oh, look. Yeah, I forgot to clean that part. So, yeah. A little bit up there. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe we can add this one too. And maybe here we can do, I mean, it's not like it's gonna be, I don't think it looks good here. That's cool. Anyway, we've got the crouch kick and the crouch punch, which is great. So let's add the states. So the update for the 8 break is gonna be a this is gonna be the crouch punch, and it's gonna be a generic, and anim goes back to the crouch idle, and the crouch kick goes to the crouch idle too. That's cool. And the start is, this is gonna be very much the same as that, but crouch punch and crouch kick. And obviously we need to update the crouch idle, because now go to 8 and 9. If we press the punch or the kick, and we're there. So fuck, sorry, I uncommented the comment line and that didn't work. So yeah, it works, this one works, and then, oh, this one is not properly set, but this is set, so you just need to change. Here's the crouch punch, or the crouch idle is there, crouch kick should be there too. So yeah, right between the legs, yeah, I think should be okay. Let's see. Goes down a little bit so we could. Let's see now. Yeah, this looks good. This looks very good. Okay, cool. So we're gonna finish for today, and in the next day what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a second player, which we're gonna place in the other side, and we are going to change the inputs so that they have AI inputs or no inputs at the moment, and after that we will do the collision detection so that we can hit the other player and have an animation when they are hit and so on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you liked, please hit like hit the like button, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.